Finally, the build is done. I want to show you a couple of close-ups and tell you a little bit about the bike. It's a full original KLX 250 2012 European model. It's a fuel injection version which is available in some markets since 2018. Just a couple of parts are not original. Most visible is the front fender. This is from a KX 450 from 2018. I just had to cut a little bit at the low end and put in some spacer at the mounting spot. Also good visible the grips, not original anymore, and I add wider foot pegs. Everything else is completely original. In the pouch the tools are missing. It's an 18 liter 4.75 US gallon tank. The super strong engine guard. It's made of 4mm aluminium welded and strong enough to hit the big rocks. 2 electric ports, a 12 volt and a USB with 2 connectors. Another nice gimmick is the covers are made of PP, polypropylene, not of ABS. PP is used almost on all the dirt bikes, the motocross motorcycles, and if you have a fall off, they probably won't break that fast. The bike I lifted up on a scale. It's visible, the wheels are off the ground. And finally, the weight of the whole build is 139.6 kilogram. This is 307.8 pound. I guess this is something that we can call a lightweight adventure bike and not those bikes with 170, 180 kilogram. Some people calling also light adventure bikes. This is, in my opinion, not a lightweight motorcycle. A lightweight adventure motorcycle is probably up to dry weight 150 kilogram. This is my personal limit. All heavier bikes are not anymore lightweight adventure bikes. But that's my own definition of lightweight. Probably you have a different one. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Have a good time. Bye bye.